guys ordered some milk. A whole lot of milk.
Yeah, well, our deliveries are between 10 and 2.
Just to put it in perspective, we need 4 of these. 4 of those. Chris is still working on the egg. Boom.
I know you're probably wondering, why would you ever take an order like this? So in this video, I wanted to show the dark side of Instacart and how they use exploitative forms of labor on their shoppers.
Do I have any volunteers to help me with milk?
This order was absolutely insane, and I do not recommend anyone take an order like this. And by the way, their policy states that you do not shop with anyone else, and the pay for this should have been twice or 3 times as much as it was. But I am a trained professional, and I recommend to all shoppers worldwide, do not try this at home.
What up, bro? I'm gonna need some help, bro. I'm gonna need you, bro. Dog, I got a Costco order for Instacart.
Yeah.
125 gallons of milk. Why you look like that? Why you look away like that?
That's unheard of, man.
125 gallons of milk, 60 cases of eggs. Yeah, bro. I got my boys coming to help me too, though. But just in case I see you out here,
yeah,
I might need you, bro.
Sounds good.
Yo, there goes my boy right. Yo, where's the Prius? What happened to your Prius?
Got totaled.
Oh, you totaled another one?
Yeah.
Oh my God, my man totaled another one. Tell him what we delivering today. Tell him.
Over 100 gallons of milk.
125 gallons.
Yep.
Exclusive TapVar footage. We got 125 gallons of milk and 60 cases of eggs. Hit the like for me for this way. I was taking some time off the vlog until I swiped this and I was gonna cancel it. But I said, you know what? I'm gonna get it cracking for the fam. Everybody at Costco, you're about to see the most gallons of milk ever by any man on planet Earth. Let's go.
Blue diamonds, sideways, it's a race.
So here's the thing, I'm freezing. I'm probably gonna turn into a popsicle, but he's gonna take control of the eggs. 60 cases of those eggs, and I gotta get 125 cases of these milks. Just to put it in perspective, we need 4 of these. 4 of those and all of these full of milk. Chris is still working on the egg. Do I have any volunteers to help me with milk? Any volunteers to help me with milk? Nobody. Oh, okay, we're on our own, Chris. Oh man, so we gotta take a break because we're freezing. We're like getting frostbite.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I just want to let everybody know that's my milk right there. Okay? Nobody take no eggs and nobody take no milk from those carts. So is he taking the milk? My man, I just told him.
That lady was taking the milk.
We have so much milk in the carts that people are going up to our cart and taking the milk out of the cart thinking like it's Costco's. No, it's ours. Don't touch the milk. We gotta go back in there. We gotta finish it. All right, let's go. Yo, this is great. 125 gallons. Look, right here. Boom. Yo, all the managers are laughing at us right now.
Don't go in no bumps.
Yeah, this is crazy, bro. I'm regretting this order. I'm doing it for you guys, so hit the like.
Order milk?
Yeah. And these eggs.
Anything.
125.
It's a big party.
I want to see an Instacart shopper top this order. I don't think nobody with a sane mind would ever take an order like this. If there's any challengers out there, I want to see one of y'all take an order bigger than this. Where's the U-Haul when you need one?
Blue diamonds.
Oh my gosh, bro, my car. Goodbye to my shocks. Goodbye, shocks. Goodbye. This is horrible, bro. And we still got all this milk and all the eggs. All right, you guys ready? So the final result right here. Eggs. Oh, but we're not done. Boom. And boom. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm about to bring the camera in there because there's no way. I want to see who ordered this much milk. You guys ordered some milk. A whole lot of milk.
Yeah, well, our deliveries are between 10 and 2.
We don't have any control of that with Instacart. They just give us an order.
Okay, if you could just go to the front door. The next, like this is Suite H, if you go to Suite J.
Deliveries are between 10 and 2. It's 1:40. It is between 10 and 2. Hey, Chris, you missed out on the water, bro.
I'm good.
You good? You better drink some water. You better. So the first lady told us to go to Suite J. Then the second lady, when I wasn't in there, told us to go to the back. And I think this is it right here. How you doing?
Hi, is it in a box or the single?
Woo! Let me tell you something. We got a lot. It's like 125 gallons. Yeah. So I had. Oh, okay. Don't lose it. We didn't lose one. Yeah. So this. Yeah. All right. So, and then we got the eggs over here. Everything is in good tact. It's just a lot.
Made it work.
I had to bring my buddy here to help me out. Oh. And just like that, it's a wrap. That was crazy, but they helped us carry it all in. So they made it pretty easy, honestly. Like, the easiest part about this whole thing was dropping it off, because they really was a big help. And for all that work, we made
$68, which was actually raised by Instacart. You can tell by that fire emoji right here. Now, granted, it was only 2 miles. It still was 125 gallons of milk. It took us 1 hour and 52 minutes and 19 seconds to complete it. And it was 2 of us. So if you do the math, 68 divided by 2 in 2 hours, $17 per hour. Garbage.